This is a video of my Thomas Wooden Railway collection, so please enjoy. We have Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Donald, Douglas, Oliver, Andrew, Stepney, Emily, Diesel, Bill, Ben, Mavis, Arthur, Billy, Salty, Harvey, Hero, Lady, Diesel 10, Stanley, Stephen, Connor, Caitlin, Timothy, Sydney, Paxton, Stafford, Whiff, Charlie, Flying Scotsman, Gator, Nolan, Fergus, Dennis, Norman, Porter, Marion, Skiff, Ryan, Dustin, and Logan. Here are my narrow gauge engines: Peter Sam, Rusty, Smudger, Mighty and Mac, Proteus, Victor, Millie, and here are my small railway engines: Mike and Bert. Here's my Cody Fell engine, Cody. Here are my coaches: Annie, Clarabelle, Henrietta, the baggage coach, the brass band coach, old slow coach, and the express coaches. Here are my cranes: the breakdown crane, Rocky, Reg, Colin, and Cranky. Here's my water vehicle, the raft. Here's my airborne vehicle, Harold the helicopter. Here's my rolling stock: Scruffy, Rickety, Hector, the gold truck, 2 rock cars, 2 giggling troublesome trucks, 2 gumball cars, 2 chocolate cars, the bubblesome trucks, my 7 cargo cars, the quarry car, the dumper, the Chinese dragon, the circus train, the dino fossil car, the dairy cars, the aquarium cars, the old style shark aquarium car, the confetti car, my custom tanker, my custom van, my custom Mr. Jolly's chocolate factory car, cake cargo car, the honey car, and the jet engine. Here are my brake vans and cabooses: Toad, my custom brake van, and the musical caboose. Here are my extra engines: Battery Power Thomas, Gold Dust Specs Thomas, New Style Thomas, Seabound Thomas, Surprise Face Thomas, Happy Birthday Thomas, New Style Edward, Light Up and Reveal Henry, New Style Gordon, 2011 Gordon, CGI Gordon, Old Style James, Fishy James, Origins James, James Sorts It Out, Old Style Percy, New Style Percy, Celebrating 60 Years Percy, Lights and Sounds Percy, 2011 Percy, CGI Percy, 2011 Toby, Douglas, CGI Oliver, Cabless New Style Diesel, New Style Bill, New Style Ben, New Style Mavis, Limited Edition Lady, CGI Salty, Celebration Salty, Lost and Found Hero, Old Style Victor, Old Style Chinese Dragon, New Style Birdie, New Style Cranky, and Old Style Colin the Crane. And since Heatcrit tried this, I'm trying it too. The missing items. So, 2 2002 Edward Tenders. To make those complete, you need Edward, and 2 2001 Gordon Tenders, and to make those complete, you need Gordon. And the item I keep in my box, the Thomas Engine Gift Pack. I hope you enjoyed my Thomas Wooden Railway collection. Thanks for watching, and more videos are coming soon. Bye, everyone!